Почему так тихо? Еще громче можно. У вас день рождения города. Отрываемся. Включаем фонарики.
Are you still following somebody else's vision? Living the life a nightmare by your own decision. Prison doesn't lie within the gate. It's the panic in your brain that you refuse to face. While you sleep, somebody else is fucking the girl of your dreams, and nobody else is coming to help. It's all you, dog. You don't wanna wave goodbye to your last chance to try. I used to be just like you. It's only when you lose everything you thought you needed, suddenly it makes you free. I used to be just like you. It's only when you ache, and the only way you change is if you find yourself in chains. Am I running from my dreams again, imprisoned by the fears in my ear? I'm sick of being fake, 'cause I know what I'm supposed to do. Better move, I got no time to lose. I'm sick of being fake. I've been away for 6 years offline, user busy, ignoring all signs. Hey, now I'm back, and I took it from pathetic to rock star. You were rubbing your dick in the boxcar. Hey, take it from someone who put aside their hopes and dreams to fulfill the needs of a person who didn't even see my worth. Thinking about it makes me wanna just fucking gag and curse. You're giving your best but get replaced. All of your demons staring at you dead in the face, 'cause you're not what you thought you could be, and you realize one day you're gonna motherfucking die. I'm telling you all to own your lives. Quit being so fucking pussy deprived in destination masturbation. Time to get the fuck out of the situation. I used to be just like you. It's only when you lose everything you thought you needed. So There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do to find a way to ease my mind, ease my mind. And I'm a shadow of the man you once loved and knew. I'm dragging out what's left inside, left inside. I wanna scream your name, but you ain't gonna hear a thing. It's the wind catches on, my words get blown away. I feel the air getting cold ever since the day that you've been gone. Where do I go from here? Isn't the same when I don't have you near. Will you be there when I stop breathing? Will I see you again? Will I see you again? So many things I didn't say, I should've told you every day. And now they're stabbing like 1,000 knives. Solitude, my addiction, bruises in my reflection. Help me realize that I'm still alive. Where do I go from here? Isn't the same when I don't have you near. Will you be there when I stop breathing? Will I see you again? Will I see you again, my friend? I'm calling out your name, oh, but you ain't gonna hear a thing. I'm calling out your name.